A while back I posted a video about this Eastman Chickadee II, and although it went through some of the things you can cut with it and how it works, I've had several people ask me, how do you change the blade on it, or how do you mount the blade in here? And I just want to make a quick video on how to do that. First, you just need a flat braided screwdriver. Actually, this system is quite easy, quite simple. And so what I'm doing here, you can see there's a hole in the blade, and that hole, if you line it up down below, you can drop something through here, like so. Then just by turning this, boom. It's not like you gotta really tighten it up really tight or anything like that. Unscrew the screw here, pull out the pin. There's the blade. Now, putting it back together. Keep in mind that this little carbide down here rests on this side of the blade. So when you put it in there, put the carbide in there, and then there is actually some kind of like splines here that line up on the blade. You can kind of close here. There we go. Carbide's down here. You can kind of see how that lays against the blade, just under spring tension. You got to kind of use both hands here. Drop that on top of there. Little screw. Now, for me, I drop this pin in here and put this in like so. Get a little snug. That's about it. Seems like that's all she needs. Works well. Just be sure that when you put it on, the back side here, you can see that there's a big bevel on this blade. I'm trying to catch the light just right. You can see that bevel in there. The bevel is on the back side of the blade. The front side should be flat. So that way when you sharpen it, I'm pushing this little stub in here, you see some sparks flying off. That's how the edge gets sharpened. Nope. That's how you basically take the blade on and off of a Eastman Chickadee II. Wonderful little tool. It's actually quite simple. Just that little hole inside of the blade there allows you to basically stick something in there, pin it, and then give a little unscrew it. The other two little screws that are in there, that's just all about aligning that hub on there. Not something you need to take apart there whatsoever. Anyway, hope this is helpful.